Let's look at a utility example. Let me give you some insight here. You cannot help everyone, and you can't completely help anyone. What's the least you can share to help the most amount of people? So very often I consider this when I'm crafting my solution for any and every product that I'm doing. It's a one problem, one solution, one sitting type of product. So let me give you a specific solution for this. The one single thing almost any Amazon seller can tweak on their product listing to improve conversion no matter price point or category. This is wonderful. Think about this. We're slicing up this market and going after a very specific type of customer. We're going after, first of all, people who sell physical products on Amazon, right? But we're not teaching them how to rank better in Amazon. We're not teaching them product selection. We're not even teaching them overall conversion and marketing. We're teaching them copywriting, but not all copywriting. We're teaching them a very specific type of copywriting. And then the specific type of copywriting that we're teaching them is going to reach the most amount of Amazon sellers, no matter if they sell high ticket or low ticket. No matter if they sell resellers or private label, no matter if they sell in any type of category, top level or subcategory on Amazon. So this is a utility-based solution. And nobody else is creating a product like this. Can you see how this would very easily get somebody's attention and very easily call to them and say, hell, I'll gamble $5, $10, $15 for something like that.